Did you miss me? What's up, guys? I know I'm late, like 7 minutes late, 8 minutes late, I mean, but hopefully you can catch something. Let me fix something here real quick. Yeah, so we're still bullish for today on NQ and yes, still heavily bullish. We still need to take out this and this. So let's go down to the 5 and the 1. Did we have news or something? hmm Most people would think this is an order block, but it's not because this move down didn't sweep liquidity. So personally, I'm not willing to take that. I want to see some sell side liquidity being taken or even buy side. But personally, this is bound to be violated. I wouldn't take this. Let's just throw it out. Probably won't go there too. Wait, was this? Are these equal lows we have down here? Need to sweep this. They're relatively equal, but technically the low was swept by very small margin. Very small margin. Ugh. So do I take the long? Nah, nah, I won't. I'm going to consider this as sell side. So I want us to sweep that. Before we can go up. So I expect this to be violated. The people who entered here early going to be taken out. But if it's in your trade plan, if your strategy allows you to take that, I mean, who am I to stop you? Yep, that's a deep retracement. Tapped that's FVG, not yet into the order block. Now trading inside the order block. and it's not looking good. As I predicted, it's not looking good. First of all, we have this inversion that has been created right here. So, am I willing to take that short? Um, did you sweep? No, I'm actually not going to take that, but let me paper trade it. Let's paper trade this short because I'm not bearish today, so I'm not risking taking shorts when I'm bullish because it might not take out this low. As much as I wow, why is my voice cracking so hard? As much as I wanted to take out this low, it might not get there because maybe it's extremely bullish. But let's paper trade this. So if I took this trade, my stop would be there of this candle. Then take profit down here, a clean 2.8 R. So let's see how this plays out. Because this was the first move. Wait, what's the first presentation? So this first presentation, this leveling up here. I wonder if I should incorporate this holding as one leveling up. I probably should, but let me just use this. Because if it was bullish, it wouldn't even get to this leveling up. Down straight to SL. Okay, it's coming back down. What a beautiful push down. Now it's retracing to the order block. It's a propulsion block, technically, not an order block. Yep, nice reaction. Yep, now dump. I wanted to dump completely to this these equal lows down here. Yes, that's what we want to see. So this sell side down here is equal lows. Let me just write that. It's starting to become high resistance, but nonetheless still holding, still waiting. So currently we're trading below mean threshold of this order block that I said was going to be violated. So now we're just waiting for break below this low to make it a breaker. Come on, push down, push down. Not liking this high resistance. Let's take a look at yes. Yes, swept the data lows. Wait, are these data lows? Did we have news? I think we did. I think we had news. Um, no, we did not. At least not high impact news. My voice is cracking for some reason, bro. I don't know why. It's breaking. Yes, yes, that's what we want to see. Good boy. Now go to TP. So currently we have broken below this low. Now we just need a small push to here. So this is currently a breaker. This whole down close thing is a breaker now. And there we go. Approaching take profits. ES also needs to sweep this low. Maybe ES can sweep it and then Nasdaq doesn't and we have SMT. But then that will just make things harder for NQ because now we'll have triple equal lows. So currently waiting for sell side sweep. Oh, this is SMT. This here is SMT. and Q because we swept on Nasdaq. We swept this low. This move down swept this low, but it didn't on ES. Probably could have gotten a trade earlier, but I don't trade pre New York session, so it doesn't really matter. And as I said, this order block became a breaker. So as you can see, price reacted very well from there to the downside. Same thing is happening on Nasdaq. What's wrong with my voice today? Nasdaq is doing some random ass moves, bro. What the hell is it doing? It's just leaving wicks everywhere. Come on, sweep that low so that we can start going up for silver bullet. We have 5 minutes to. We're currently in the macro. I didn't even know this. Currently in the macro, so this will probably be the best time to, you know, run for this low. But as of now, it's already taken out this low here. So if it reverses, there's still no problem. But I wanted to take this one. But this one is also good. Oh no, that's a full on reversal. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Let's set the visibility to this to the 1 minutes. Then let's go to the 5 minutes and look at price action here. Um, in the 5 minutes, it's also looking like it's gravitating to these lows for sure. So let's just wait for that. Okay, that's a nice rejection. Let's continue down. Preferably, I'd like to see a fair value gap to the downside. Buy side inefficiency. Just one strong move down to take out that low, those equal lows. Yep, let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep going, keep pushing. Damn, what the hell is that candle? Oh my days. We had medium impact news today at 5, which is 10 New York time. So could that be the real move for today? Considering we took out this low, I think this could be the move for today. Let's take this off. It's distracting. And this one too. So I want to see a fair value gap here. I want to see a fair value gap here now. Where's the target? Disappeared. Maybe it's just too far up. Maybe we won't aim for that high. Maybe we target here. This seems reasonable. It's the high in this 1 hour range. So I think it's reasonable. So I'll be targeting that. And we got our fair value gap. I'm going to take a long off of that. Now we just needed to retrace back. This was also supposed to be a breaker, but I don't know what's happened here. This candle retraced way too much. Closed down here. I don't like that. To begin to start. I'm ready to click buy. Let me just place a limit order. Or let's do this. Oh, okay. It's already getting in there. Come on, just one tick lower. Yeah, that's good enough for me. It's also a unicorn setup on yes, so it's quite promising. On ES we have this breaker within a fair value gap, so let me set my stop down here. Zero 0.5 and then take profits up here 1.6. I know it's not a lot, but that's all I can do for the moment with the small margin stroke equity that I have. Why are we doing that? Push up. Why are we doing that? Why did that candle just flip? Anyways, we're just going to be patient here. Just watch, see what price gives us. Let's move our stop to an even 55 cents. My bad. I want it to be below this low right here. But I guess that's just fine. If it gets there, we're cooked. So no point adjusting it so much. So now we just wait and see. It's a nice reaction from the Ferrari gap. Let me add the midline for this, just so we know where we're at. So we just barely touched the midpoint of this Ferrari gap. So that's a good sign that we didn't go below it. Hopefully we don't come back there. I'll set break even after it moves up to like, where would I possibly set break even? Wait, I need first of all to check. Let me set this to the 1 minute. Then I need to check the levels on the hourly. Yeah. So our buy side is actually here. Let's use this ICT HCF to gauge that. Perfect. And then we still have this high over here that we need to get to, but considering that it's a Friday, I don't think we're going to make such big moves, especially now that there's no news today. So I'm just going to exit my positions early. I don't want to hold too much today. Let me just have OCD, bro, and ADHD. So everything has to be precise. Let me mark that to by side. Yeah. So those are the two major levels I'm looking at. Let's go back to the 1 minute. So I think it's reasonable to set break even right now. I don't want to do it though. It just seems too early. I'll wait for it to take out like some liquidity. Like if it takes out this high, I'll set break even. Or maybe we can move our SL to here. So let me put some lo-fi music on. I think we're looking good enough to set break even now. That push up is real nice. Yeah, let me set break even. Uh, so now we're running risk free on this trade. Silver bullets. Okay, some retracements. Did we leave off every gap on the 5 minutes? Let me check. Because okay, we don't have one. We do have this order block though. Might decide to trade into that. Hopefully not though. I just want a clean push up, no retracements. Let's go back to the 1 minute. So if we were trading ES or take profits probably would have been different than NQ just because of how far ES was from this high. Like that would have been the trade for ES. Stop. Probably like yeah, make it an even two this reward. Yeah, that would have been nice. Not yet hit take profit, but it's getting there. For Nasdaq, the fair value gap just wouldn't let us put a take profit here. It's too it's too big and too deep in a premium. Or should I say discount? Oh no. So color we were in a retracement. Now it's looking bullish. Well, let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. Good push up. Perfect, perfect. Keep up the momentum. Let's keep pushing up. Let's keep pushing up. Now we're back down again. The hell? Anyway, it's all about patience, so I'm not phased. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good. I'm ending stream at 11 New York time. I'll be doing a stream for 1.5 hours. So like from New York open till silver bullet time ends, because that's when I stop looking for trades. I'll probably, if I get a trade before like the end of silver bullet, then I'll just post the results on my Twitter or my posts page on YouTube, so no need to worry about that. And we're back. Break even. Let's see what they're dipping. Does it finally want to go for that low? Hope so. I hope so. So it's about to make that our favorite. Okay, it's made it. I am version. Right here. So that's not good. But I'm still bullish. My bias hasn't changed yet. Still bullish. Maybe it's coming for these equal lows. I'm considering taking this short. I don't know if I should. Should I? Oh, it's so tempting. It's so freaking tempting, bro.
I'll get straight to the point.
Should I?
Marijuana in the house. And while I never thought of myself as the type of father who'd have to drug test his kids, I'm willing to do just that if that's what it takes to find out who brought a joint into this house.
Let's look at the 5 minutes. Maybe it'll give us more information. Yeah, I'm taking that short. Yep. Immediate drawdown. I didn't even see a single. Let me put my stop right above this break. Yep, perfect. And then I'm just going to trail my. This was probably a bad idea. I don't know why I did this. Anyways, you learn as you progress. Let's just see what happens. Is it FOMO? Did I FOMO in? Let me just close it. Should I close it? Probably should. But Will I? Yes, I will. Since I'm bullish, I don't want to. Let me just exit my short close there. Exited here. So currently we're at 2.83. That was a formal trade. I'm glad I exited. It was so impulsive, I don't even know what I was thinking. It might still go my way, but there's just no confirmation to that trade at all. So there's no reason I should be taking that. Let's just wait, see if it takes out the equal lows or if it just continues going up. Let's just wait and see. So we're currently 30 minutes into Silver Bullet, and yet no uh, valuable trade has been formed, set up. No valuable setup has been formed. We had this fair value gap, but it decided to run back to my stop loss. Fortunately, I had break even, so I didn't lose anything. But yeah, it's currently extremely slow. I don't know why. I don't like it. Anyways, let's just keep waiting. Hopefully we get that low and then we see a reversal. Yeah, good push. Still chopping. Why is it still chopping? Decide. It probably won't move for like a long time. It's probably going to consolidate till the close today, or it's going to move during lunch, lunch macro, which it usually does like a lot. Not gonna lie, it's not looking good today. NQ just doesn't want to go anywhere. What about the SMP did a whole freaking reversal? Wait, is this SMT? I think we have SMT. We have SMT. We have SMT for ES and NQ. Problem is there are no PD arrays to go off. Unless we inverse this fair value gap with like a massive candle, like then that would be what I did. Yeah, I want to see how that plays out. That fair value gap. Hopefully it gets inversed so that we can target over here. NQ still not moving. It's moving, but really slow. Extremely slow. Yes, has some momentum at least. We're about to get our inversion, and there we go. So now just waiting for retracement so I can take a long. How many lots should I use, chat? Probably 0.02. Let me check if that's enough. What's the SMP? Load faster. I could buy 0.03. That's the maximum I can do my equity. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's put one. Then add another one lower. Maybe. Let's see how's the stop loss for this. Oh, we definitely need to add another one, like 0.02 more. Perfect. And the stop is massive. Like if it gets stopped out, I'm just going to close out for the day because that's just bad market conditions. I'll take one off here. Is that enough? No, that's too little. Anyways, 0.35 is too little. And I could probably take off the other one here. Why is my mouse misbehaving? Or I could take both of them out over there. Yeah, let's do that. I'll take out probably like 0.01 for here if it allows me, but I'm holding the rest. This trade is just looking like chop. Lot of chop. It's not going anywhere. Should I leave it or should I just exit and call it a day? Because it's now 10 minutes to the end of the silver bullets time. Let's go on a higher time frame. I want to see something here. Oh, I meant to go on the yeah, still not looking as promising. Okay, it's climbing again. Let's look at the 15. That's a good close from the previous candle. This is a pretty good close. So for liquidity, we have this high. That's the one I've decided I'm using because it's the high on this range. So it's just easier to use that one. Let's go to the 5. Oh, we also have an inversion on the 5. I want to see this on the 5. Let me on the 1 minute normally. Yeah. So the 5 also has an inversion, right? Yeah. So our trade is not yet invalidated. It still go up because of this 15-minute inversion. Let's make it even. Then buy side is up here technically, but I'll take profits. So the trade was originally on the 1 minute, but it's also happening on the 5. And I do not know which one to watch. Let's watch the 1 minute. Just, let me fix my stops. Probably should be there. Yep. And this one up. So now we wait. Let's see what happens. It's a lot of chop though. So I don't know if much will happen today. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Um, guys, so it's currently 11. Okay, it's approaching 11. It's not 11, but I have to go somewhere, so I'm just going to leave this trade running, and then I'll probably end stream like remotely because I gotta go somewhere. So I'm just going to leave the trade running.
Gentle hums, a tender embrace. We drift in space, in mellow streams. The current guides in its soft chase. The quiet night, a gentle song, a steady heart, a subtle drum. We breathe in time with whispered words. The melody soft, it's like
So yeah, I'll just end stream when it hits my stop or take profits. Yeah, have a good day or night, depending on where you are. I'm back. This trade isn't looking so promising, so I'm just gonna close it and end stream. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next week. This trade isn't so good. It started consolidating. I don't like that. Yeah. So we ended the week at $3. Exactly $3. Oh my bad. See you guys